Welcome to the T-Tari Galaxy online workshop. In this lesson, we'll continue working with iMovie. Let's double-click the icon Workshop 1 on our desktop. This will launch iMovie. It will also pick up where we left off on our previous project. Note we have our pictures in our timeline, and we also have our sound. Well, let's edit some of our pictures. Let's select a picture and let's click Editing. At the top, we have titles for our beginning and end. We have transitions. We have video effects and audio effects. First, let's place a title at the beginning. Center title. Erase. Let's call it Workshop Part 2. To see what it'll look like, let's simply click Bouncing and then back to center again. Note how much time, 3 seconds, and then we'll click Add. Look where it added it at. Right where we had our playhead. All we have to do is grab it and move it to where we want it to go. Now let's look at transitions. Classic transitions are fade ins and fade outs. So let's place a fade out at the end of our project. We do that by simply dragging the fade out to the end of our project. Note that the clip before that title or transition is too short, and it must be at least 3 seconds long. Not a problem. We know how to adjust that. Simply click on our last frame, right-click, go to Edit Photo Settings, click on Show Photo Settings, and now let's place a 4 here. And update. Now we can drag our fade out to the end of our project. Let's look at video effects. There are several different video effects inside of iMovie. Adjusting color, the aged film, the black and white, the lens flares, the earthquake, one of my favorites, and also slow motion. There are several different effects. You should try them all so you will know what they'll look like. To add an effect, simply drag the effect to the picture located in the timeline. So let's use aged film. Select aged film and apply. Yes, convert. Let's go back to our clips and let's go back to the beginning of our project. And now let's play our project. Note we didn't use a fade in the beginning. Consider both of our first slides had backgrounds that were black. In between each of these pictures, one could use a fade in or a cross dissolve. Now that we've viewed the entire project, let's export this project out as an MOV ready for the web. Simply back it to the beginning, and now let's go to File, Export. Note that each one of our presets have already been loaded into iMovie. We simply click here, we'll say Web, we'll say Share, and we'll name it Workshop 2 and save. iMovie is now compressing your movie to share with individuals over the web. This has been a short tutorial of editing using iMovie.